If you have been looking for a home remedy for clear skin, we all desire clear skin free of troubles. Hello, welcome to Betty's. So try turmeric and coconut oil face mask once every 2 weeks. I'm using one that's mixed already. You can just target an area that has imperfections. It's perfect for relieving irritated skin and reducing acne outbreaks. But I just love putting it all over my face. Now I'm just getting ready. I'm just protecting my hair. This is optional. It's good to apply before bedtime to allow nourishing ingredients to soak into your skin and give you a glow. Apply this golden paste all over your clean face. You can avoid the sensitive eye area if you want to. This also helps to clear little pimple marks and redness. Gentle, mild exfoliating aids in removing dead skin cells, leaving the skin feeling so smooth and shining. While you wait to let it sit for 10 minutes, just pamper your face. A soothing massage. Define your jawline, your cheekbones, everything. This coconut oil with turmeric is really great for a flawless complexion, reducing the appearance of scars, evens out your skin tone, restores and promotes skin healing. It's a lot. Okay, so now ready for the next stage. Using warm water, just dip these little cotton pads to thoroughly wash off. Don't forget to check out my skincare playlist and also my fitness workouts for overall health, as staying active really helps the skin. Now the last thing to do is to follow it up with your normal moisturizer. Just your daily moisturizer or night cream or anything you use. It does. It feels nice and smooth. If you did learn a thing or two, please like and subscribe so you never miss an upload. To my subscribers, you're super amazing.